Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we got this Breville Espresso machine with us in the shop. Pretty much, it came in because there was no water coming out from the group head. Also, or it was only when you put coffee to it, so it had a hard time flowing through. You seen that the flow coming from the group head was very off. So we did a tune-up on the machine, pretty much cleaning out, because if you don't backflush right here, coffee just starts building up, and then water can't get into your machine, which means you won't get any coffee out of it. So we did a complete tune-up on the whole machine, completely descaling the machine, doing backflushing, replacing both. This is your old gasket right here. Replacing your old gasket with a brand new one, cleaning your coffee. Pretty much the whole front of your group head is now completely clean, and now we're going to test the machine. Oh, we also deep cleaned your steam wand because your steam wand had a lot of milk inside and outside of it. So now we are going to grind coffee. This is for a double. Might be a little too much. It's alright. Alright, now the coffee's tamped. Don't worry about the amount, how fast, how slow. I did not measure it or anything like that. We are just going to make sure that the espresso range goes into, or that pressure gauge goes into the espresso range. So it's going to do pre-infusion right now. As you can see, it's climbing, and you're going to get your double shot coming out. Looking good. Pushing a nice double shot. Alright, now we're going to test the hot water function. Say you wanted a Americano. You pour that out, working well. Then the last thing we're going to test is the steam function. That was going to shoot water for a few seconds because it's wanting to heat up to get to that steam temperatures. And that's coming out.
Alright, yeah. I mean, we do have this rental that just got returned.
We're looking good. And that's everything for this repair. If you like this repair or any of our other videos, leave us a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.